Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is group theory. Let G be a group of order 45, then G has an element of order 9 and G has a subgroup of order 9. G has a normal subgroup of order 9. G has a normal subgroup of order 5. So friends, must remember that order of G is equal to 45. Order of G equals to 45 is equal to 5 cross 9, okay, and 5 cross 9, and now 3 does not divisible by 5 minus 1 and 5 does not divisible by 3 square minus 1. So friends, we know that G is, that implies G is abelian abelian group. Okay, G is abelian group because we know this property that if P does not divisible by Q, if order of G is equal to PQ and P does not divisible by Q, or Q does not divisible by P, then order of G is an abelian group. So G is abelian group and all the subgroups of G are normal subgroups. Also every divisors of D. So G is abelian group and all the subgroups of G are normal because this is abelian group and every subgroup of abelian group is normal subgroup. And another way you can say all the subgroups all the subgroups of G are normal subgroup. All the subgroups of G are normal subgroups and also every divisor of D and also every divisor of D of order group of order of group G. So there exists a subgroup of that order. So there exists a subgroup group of that order, and 9 divisible by 45, 9 divisible by 45 and 5 divisible by 45. So G has a subgroup of order 5 and order 9. G has a subgroup of order 5 and order 9. So friends, all are normal subgroups. So option B, G has a subgroup of order 9, G has a normal subgroup of order 9 and G has a normal subgroup of order 5 is correct. But option B, as G is isomorphic to Z2, Z3 cross Z3 cross Z5. So no order of element is not 9. So option A is correct. Thanks for watching.